want the iPad? You want the iPad?
Little younger.
Can you reach it? Can you reach the iPad? Here. Can you reach this? Look. Can you reach this?
You're such a good girl. Mommy loves those stories. It's a good story. Yes. What else? Can you say something else?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. What else happened? Where'd you go? Nowhere. Back to bed.
You gonna go back to bed? You go sleep all night? Are you gonna sleep all night? Mira? Mira? Are you gonna sleep all night?
She done.
Do you want to
She
say
done.
anything else?
Say bye-bye.